Welcome back, Kuradangerz. So today we got another sexy see-through panty lingerie. So I bought this panty from an online store. It is from Shopee and very affordable price. So if you are interested, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the Kuradang channel and let's go our detail of this panty. It is very see-through in detail. All over the panty is see-through and the material of this panty is a very dainty lace. Look at that. Very stunning black panty. Very affordable too. And of course, this is my favorite color of eye lingerie. It is black. Dili makita ang lagom, Kuradangerz. So look at that very nice detail see-through panty. And this is the back detail. It has a ball, a feathery ball, Kuradangerz, and it is a thong, very sexy thong panty. Look at that. Yung pa-detail na ball, feathery ball niya is so very unique. That is, you can use that on a exciting moment, intimate moment of your partners out there. Very nice feathery ball, Kuradangerz. Overall, very nice, very affordable, and very sexy black see-through panty. And of course, you can avail it in Shopee. Very nice and very comfy to use. Thong Panty. Arap na Kuradangerz, buy this panty too in Shopee. That's it for our sexy panty haul, Kuradangerz. Don't forget to like and subscribe in the Kuradang channel. And please, please, please support always our panty lingerie haul for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!